Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a video inside tags in CapCut Mobile. Okay, first of all, we can create text video in CapCut. We can tap on new project and tap on the stock videos. And I'm going to add background to my project. I'm going to select this white background. And after that, we can click on the add option. Okay, and here we can create text video. We can tap on the text and tap on add text. And for example, I'm going to add text video. I'm going to change the color of the text. Okay, and for the font as well, I'm going to select this one. And after we're done, we can save this video to our device. We can tap on this icon and I'm going to select the resolution. Okay, and just click on save to device. And you have to wait until the video has been saved to your device. And we're going to create another project. So we can tap on new project and import the text video that we have just created and click on add. Okay, and here we can add the video that I want to insert to the text. And I'm going to click on overlay and tap on add overlay. And I'm going to add a video from stock videos in CapCut. For example, I'm going to add this one. Okay, and click on add. Okay, and after that, we're going to blend this video. Tap on the blend option. And we're going to select this one, this filter filter mode, I mean. Okay, and now the video has been added inside the text. And I'm going to show you the final result. Like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can add a video inside text in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.